Hi everyone, in this video we will be discussing correlation. So specifically yung Pearson R. So let us define first what is a correlation. A correlation is used to measure the degree of relationship between two variables, or if you want to know if there is a significant relationship between two variables, you may use the correlation Pearson R. Okay, so in this video we will be discussing the Pearson R. Okay, so there are some examples that we can test for correlation. So the first one is the number of hours studying and final grade in school. For example, gusto nyong malaman kung may pagkakaparehas or may relasyon yung pag spend ng oras sa pag-aaral at yung kanyang magiging final grade ng isang estudyante. Pangalawa, student's grade in math and English. So if you want to know if there is a relationship between the student's grade in math and English, you may correlate the grades. Or pwede rin namang hours of playing mobile games in grade in math. So if you want to know kung meron bang relasyon yung paglalaro or oras na ginugugol ng isang tao sa paglalaro ng mobile games at saka yung grade niya sa mathematics, then you can use correlation. Basta lahat ng tungkol sa relationship gusto nyong malaman kung mayroong relationship yung dalawang variable is you may use the correlation. Okay? So, para mas maintindihan nyo yan, let us have our example. So, in this case, guys, we will use Pearson R. So, our example in here is the owner of a chain of fruit shake store would like to study the correlation between atmospheric temperature and sales during the summer season. A random sample of 6 days is selected with the results given as follows. So, ito raw yung owner ng fruit shake store. Gusto niyang malaman kung may correlation or may relationship ba yung atmospheric temperature or sa madaling sabi, yung parang yung temperatura na nararamdaman ng mga customers and yung sales niya during sa summer season. So, yun yung dalawang variable na gusto niyang malaman kung may relationship. Yung temperature at saka yung kanyang sales. Ibig sabihin, meron bang relasyon yung temperature at saka yung bilang ng nabebenta niya or yung sales niya ng fruit shake during nung summer season. Okay? So, a random sample of 6 days is selected with the results given as follows. So, ito yung day 1. Ito yung temperature sa day 1. And then, ito yung nabenta niya. Ito naman yung temperature sa day 2 at ito yung nabenta niya and so on hanggang day 6. So, nag-select yung owner ng 6 samples or 6 days as his sample. So, kinuha niya yung temperature at saka yung sales. Kasi nga, gusto niyo malaman kung may relasyon ba tong dalawang variable na to. Okay? So, ang gagawin niyo guys, para malaman yung kanilang correlation is you will arrange it vertically. So, ito yung x natin. Ayan, x variable. So, sabihin na natin si temperature yung ating x. And then si y yung ating total sales. Okay, yan kasi yung dalawang variables natin. So, ihilera nyo siya vertically. So, we have here day 1 to 6. Tapos, ito yung x, yung temperature sa day 1. Ito naman yung total sales sa day 2. Ay, sa day 1 din. Okay, so ito yung day 2, day 3, and so on. Okay, and then after that, you will add these columns which are x squared, y squared, at saka xy. Yan, tatlong yan. And then, kukunin nyo yung mga values nito. So, pag sinabi nating x squared, squared nyo tong x. Pag sinabing y squared, squared nyo yung y. Pag sinabing xy, you multiply x and y. Ganun lang. So, isa-isayin lang natin. So, unahin natin yung x na 79. So, 79, squared nyo siya. So, 6241. So, 6241. And then, next one would be 76. So, 76 squared. Ayan. So, 5776. Lagay nyo lang dito sa katapat. And then, sunod, si 78. So, 78 squared. Ayan. So, 6084. 6,084. And then, 84. Ayan. 84 squared. So, 7,056. And then, 90 na tayo. Ayan. So, 90 squared. So, 81,000. 8,100, I mean. And then, 83 squared. Ayan. Okay, so 6889. So 6889. Next column is yung y squared, meaning itong column ng y ay i-squared natin. Kasi ang given lang dyan guys are the x and y variables. So itong mga columns na to, yung idadagdag yung columns which are x squared, y squared, and xy, kayo na mismo ang kukuha. Okay? So 147 squared. So 21,609. And then, I'm sorry. And then we have 143. So, edit ko na lang to guys. Ayan. 20,449. And then 147, which is equal dito. Parehas naman sila. So, kukopyahin ko na lang yung nasa taas. And then 168. So, edit lang natin. 168. So, 28,224. Ayan. And then 206. So, 42,436. And then the last one is 155. Yun sa dulo ng Y. Okay, so 155. So the answer is 24,025. Okay? So next one is x multiplied by y. So basically, multiply nyo itong dalawa. Okay? So yung una natin, 79 times 147. So 11613. Bilisan na natin to. And then we have 76 multiplied by 143. So 10,868. And then the following numbers are 78 times 147. So 11,466. And then the next one is 84. 84 times 168. So 14,112. And then the next one would be 90 times 206. So 18,540. And then the last column, or last row, I mean, so 83 times 155. So 12,865. 12,865. Okay? The next one would be, yan, baba ko lang guys, para makita nyo yung formula. Next one would be the summation. So, i-add nyo lahat ng columns. Ibig sabihin, kukunin nyo yung addition nito, add nyo to pababa, add nyo lahat. So, pag sinabing summation nitong x, pag in-add nyo yung x, that is the summation of x. And then we have summation of y. And then summation of x squared. And then summation of y squared. Wait lang, dito ko lagay. Ayan, summation of x squared. Summation of y squared. Ito yon yung column na to. And then summation of xy. Itong column na to. Okay, so we will get all the summations, or basically, you will add all the columns. So, unahin na natin yung x, 79 plus 76 plus 78 plus 84 plus 90 plus 83. So, 490 para dito. Okay? Next one is the summation ng y column. So, 147 plus 143 plus 147 plus 168 plus 206 plus 155. Ayan. So, 966. Okay? And then, summation naman ng x squared. So, 6241 plus 5776 plus 6084 plus 7056 plus 8,100 and then 6889. Ayan. So, 40,146. Yan yung summation ng x squared. 40,146. And then, summation ng y squared. So, 21,609. 20,449. 21,609. 28,224. 224. And 42,436. And then, the last one is 24,025. So, we have 158,352. So, 158,352. Tama ba? Okay. And then, the last column, yung summation ng xy. So, 11,613 plus 10,868 plus 11,466. 14,112. 18,540. And then, the last one is 12,865. So, pagka-add, lagay lang dito yung answer. So, 79,464. Ayan. So, after that, makuha nyo yung mga summation, sasalpak nyo dito sa formula. Okay? So, kokopyahin nyo lang. So, R equals, ayan. So, yung N natin, ibig sabihin ko ilan yung row, ilan yung column, ay, ilan yung sample. So, in this case, ang N natin ay 6, kasi 6 samples yan. Okay? So, kokopyahin nyo lang to, yung Pearson R na formula. So, N, salpak nyo doon, that would be 6. Tapos, sabi dyan, summation daw ng XY. So, ito yun. 79,464. Lagyan lang ng parenthesis para ibig sabihin multiply. Minus, ito na tayo. Summation daw ng X. So, ito yun. 490. Okay. Times summation daw ng Y. So, 966. Ito siya. Okay. All over. So, sa baba, square root. Ayan. Kokopyahin nyo guys. Tapos may nakikita kayo, ayun, parenthesis doon. So, parenthesis, tapos N daw. So, that is 6. And then, parenthesis na naman. And then, summation daw ng X squared. So, ito yun. 40,146. And then minus, summation daw ng x, quantity squared. So, parenthesis, summation ng x, 490. and then squared. Magkaiba to guys. Ito, pag nasa loob siya ng parenthesis, summation ng x squared, ito mismo yun. Ayan. Pero ito, ayan, yan yung summation ng x which is 490 and then in-squared siya. So, ito siya. Okay? So, wag kayo malilito ron. So, nandito na tayo sa squared and then nakita nyo may parenthesis doon. So, close parenthesis. Tapos may open na naman doon. So, open parenthesis and then n. So, that is 6. And then, summation daw ng y squared nasa loob ng parenthesis. Kaya ito mismo yun. Ito. Ayan. Ibig sabihin, in-enclose to sa parenthesis. Ayan. So, this one would be 158,352. Tapos close parenthesis, ayan. And then minus, so ito naman, summation ng y, yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So yung summation ng y, ito yun. And then i-squared nyo. Okay? So summation ng y is 966, ayan. And then raised to 2. Tapos nakita nyo, may parenthesis pa dun sa dulo na isa pa. So lagay nyo yan. Ayan. Okay? So you get your calculator. So dito sa calculator na to madali. Kasi pindutin lang si fraction. So, lalabas ang fraction na yan. And then, input nyo nasa taas. So, 6 times 79,464, close parenthesis, minus, open parenthesis, 490, and then close parenthesis, and then open parenthesis, 966, and then close parenthesis. Okay? Sa baba, so, lipat nyo sa baba, and then square root siya, diba? So, square root, ayan. And then, kopyahin nyo siya as is. So, parenthesis, 6, open parenthesis, 40,146, and then parenthesis again, minus, open parenthesis, 490, and then close parenthesis, squared. Ayan. Tapos, dire-diretso, guys. So, open parenthesis ulit, and then 6, andito na tayo, and then open parenthesis, 158,352, and then close parenthesis, minus, open parenthesis, 966, and then close parenthesis, squared. Huwag kakalimutan yung parenthesis sa dulo na huli. Okay? So, pag equals nyo, oh no, meron siyang pagkakamali. 40,000 and then 490 squared. Ayun, sorry, kulang ako ng parenthesis dito. Ayun, wala akong parenthesis ito. Nalimutan ko siyang isulat. Ayan. So, yun ang tendency, guys. Do not commit the same mistake I did. So, kulang siya. Hindi ko na-copy. Ayun. So, pagkatapos kasi nung squared, may close pa dyan. Ayun, ha? So, pwede i-recheck natin. Ayan. So, kompleto. Ayan. Equals. So, ayun. Lumabas ang sagot. So, i-round off lang sa second decimal. So, that would be 0.95. So, 0.95. Okay? So, pagkatapos niyan, hahanapin nyo dito yung correlation coefficient. Ito guys, ang tawag dyan, yung correlation coefficient. So, yan yung value ng R, which is called correlation coefficient. So, anong ibig sabihin ng 0.95? So, ang 0.95, hahanapin nyo yung bracket niya dito. So, andito siya. Somewhere between 0.91 and 0.99. Nandito siya sa gitna nito. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung interpretation natin. So, it has, the variables or the temperature, ito yung temperature, di ba? Yung X. The temperature and sales of the fruit shake has very high positive correlation kasi positive yung sagot natin. So, ang degree ng correlation natin ay very high positive correlation or mataas yung relationship ng dalawang variable na yan in a positive note. Ibig sabihin, kung yung isa ay pataas, yung isa rin ay mataas. So, ibig sabihin siguro guys, kung mataas ang temperature, mataas din yung total sales. Kasi positive siya, positive correlation. When we say positive correlation, pag yung isang variable pataas, yung isa rin tumataas. Okay? Sige. So, ito ang ating magiging answer, yung R. And then this one would be our interpretation. So, yung correlation or yung relationship nitong temperature and total sales ng fruit shake ay very high or very high positive correlation or relationship. Okay? Sige, let us have the second example. Ayan. So, the following are the grades of 7 students in English and in mathematics. So, identify if there is a correlation between the grades of the students in English and in mathematics. Okay? So, bago tayo magpunta dito guys, sa second example, eto, alam ko, lahat tayo ay hindi ganitong gamit na calculator. So, I will insert a clip na gumagamit ng isang uri ng calculator, yung walang fraction na ganito. So, yung walang function na double line, pwede nyo siyang kopyahin as is. So, iaano ko na lang, isisingit ko na lang sa video na to. Okay, so ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon kung ito yung gamit yung calculator and then paano nyo to i-input ng isang salpakan lang sa inyong calculator. Pag equals nyo, same yung answer natin. So, doon sa video, ang answer natin is 0.95. So, kapag ganito yung calcul nyo guys, dadagdagan nyo lang to ng parenthesis. So, ito yung mga idadagdag nyo. Isa sa taas, isang set sa taas. Tapos sa baba, isa rito sa loob. Ayan. So, tapos isa sa labas. So, magkakaroon kayo ng tatlo sa dulo. Ito yung original, and then you will add 2 kasi nag-add ka rito. Okay, so ganito siya isasalpak sa calculator. So, sa numerator muna tayo, gagayahin ko lang to. So, i-point ko guys ha. So, una to, 6, ay yung parenthesis. So, parenthesis, tapos yung 6, tapos open parenthesis, tapos 79,464, tapos close parenthesis, tapos minus, tapos open, 490, tapos close, tapos open ulit, tapos 966, tapos dalawang close parenthesis na. Okay? Ayun. So, dalawa. Ayan. So, pagkatapos niyan, ito, yung fraction, syempre divide. Ayan. Tapos, yung dinagdag natin na open doon, so, ito yun. Open parenthesis sa saka nyo ira-radical or square root. So, square root. Tapos, after ng square root, as in dire-diretso lang guys. So, after ng square root, parenthesis ulit, diba? So, ilan? Dalawa. Yung dinagdag natin, tsaka yung original na nandun. So, dalawang ganyan. And then, 6. Tapos, open parenthesis ulit. Tapos, 40,146. Tapos, close parenthesis. Tapos, minus. And then, open parenthesis, 490. And then, close parenthesis. And then, squared. Ito yung squared. Ayan. Tapos, close parenthesis. Tapos, nag-open ulit dito. Okay, tapos 6, tapos open, tapos 15,8352, tapos close, and then minus, and then open, 966, and then close parenthesis, tapos squared, ayun, tapos tatlo na to. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, ayun. So the answer would be the same. You will arrive with the same answer, which is, in the video, 0.95. Ayan, so nakikita nyo? So, same lang. So, yun lang gagawin nyo guys. You will add sa taas, dito sa labas, sa loob. So, dito magiging dalawa sa dulo. Okay, magiging tatlo bale. Kasali yung original. Okay, so ganyan nyo i-input yan sa inyong ganitong calculator. So, let us have the second example. So, we have here yung grades daw ng 7 students in English and in mathematics. Now, we have to identify if there is a correlation between their grades or the grades of the students in English and in mathematics. So, ito si student A, and then ang kanyang grade sa English ay 78 and then 85. Si student B, ang grade niya sa English ay 80 and then si math ay 82, and then hanggang kay student G. So, 7 yan lahat. Okay? And then ang grade ni student G kay English ay 88 and then kay math ay 81. Okay? So, again, ganun na naman yung gagawin natin. Kukompletuhin nyo tong table na to. Ayan, so x squared. So guys, skip na natin to ha. Ifa-forward ko na to. So 788 squared, 6,084 para mabilis tayo. Okay, so tatapos na natin to. So next natin, i-add na natin yung mga columns. So we have summation of x, summation of y, summation of x squared, summation of y squared, and then summation of xy. Ayan. Okay, so add lang natin. So 78, unahin na natin yung x. So 78 plus 80 plus 81, 86, 79, 83, 88. So 575. Ayan. Next one would be summation ng y. So, 85 plus 82 plus 75 plus 77, 80, 83. Sorry, 83, kulang pa yan. Plus 81. So, 563. Okay, next one, summation ng x squared. So, 6084, 6,400, 6561, 7396, 6241, 6889, and 7744. So, 47315. Ayan. Summation naman ng y squared. So, 7225, 6724, 5625, 5929, 6400, 6889, 6561. So, 45353. 45353. And then the last one is the summation of xy. So 6630, 6560, 6075, 6622, 6320, 6889, and 7128. So 46224. Okay? So after that, salpak nyo na sa formula. So Pearson R. So sa taas, ang n natin dito ay 7 kasi we have 7 samples. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 sa taas times summation daw ng xy. So ito yun, 46224. Minus summation daw ng x. So that is 575. Times summation daw ng y. So 563. Okay, all over. So square root daw ng, so parenthesis doon, and then n, 7. And then open parenthesis, summation daw ng x squared, nasa loob ng parenthesis. So 47315. Minus summation ng x, nasa loob ng parenthesis. Ito yun, 575, and then squared. Okay, close parenthesis, and then open again, ito. And then 7 again, yung n. And then summation naman ng y squared. So here it is, 45353. Okay, close parenthesis, minus summation ng y. Yan, 563 na nasa loob ng parenthesis. And then squared, and then close parenthesis sa dulo. Okay? So you will get your calculator again. And then fraction. So sa taas muna, 7 times 46224. Close parenthesis, minus 575. Open 563, close parenthesis. So, sa ilalim, baba nyo lang. And then, parenthesis, kopyahin. So, parenthesis 7. Let's open ulit. 47315, close parenthesis, minus open, parenthesis 575, close parenthesis squared. And then, yung parenthesis yung nakalimutan ko kanina. Okay, ayan. Let's open ulit. Tas 7 yung n. Open, 45353, close, and then minus, open, 563. And then close, parenthesis, and then square, just close sa dulo. Okay, so the answer is negative 0.29. Ayan, naka-round off na yan. So, ang correlation nito guys, nandito. Tama? Ayan, so it is between 0.21 to 0.40. So, since negative to, and then slight tayo, yung ating interpretation. So, slight negative correlation. So, ibig sabihin, almost negligible yung ating correlation dito sa mababa lang yung kanyang correlation kasi slight lang and then negative siya. So, ibig sabihin, pag yung isang variable pababa rin yung isa kasi negative siya. But, slight lang. So, ibig sabihin, konting relationship lang yung meron sa grades between English and mathematics. Grades in English and mathematics. Okay? So, that is it for correlation. So, yung dito sa calcu, tinakita ko naman na yan kung paano nyo isasalpak when you are not using this calculator. You are using the other type of calculator, which is the single liner. Okay, so that is it for correlation Pearson R.